Hello dear student, welcome back. I'm back with new topic, and today's topic you can see just behind. Yes, today's topic is present perfect continuous tense. And before this, we have done almost three parts of the present tense. These were the present indefinite tense, in which we say and we express our expressions and statement in uncertain way, because in that part of the tense we can't exactly predict that is it in existence or not. In the second part, where we talk about the time when the thing is going on, when the action is going on, when the action we have planned for the future as well, right? And now we have talked so much about the present perfect tense. What is the present perfect tense? The present perfect tense is that when we have started our actions and almost have completed, right? And there is one more that we are going to discussing about today, that is the present perfect continuous tense. So what is present perfect continuous tense? Present perfect continuous tense is a kind of sentence and the tense which and in which we have started our action, and actually I would say हमें ये कहना चाहिए कि वो कौन सा time होता है that we usually express in this tense. Actually we discussed that part of time where we have started our action in the past and we feel its presence and its existence, which is actually I would say in progress. It is still in progress. It's doing, it's continue. Although we have started the actions many times before, मतलब अपने काफी समय पहले शायद हमने ये action अपना start किया है, but it still is in progress, right? Just see here that we have some example, right? Although the action started in the past and still continue, that I'm talking about. Okay, he has been playing for 2 hours. He has been playing for 2 hours. She has been reading since morning. Anjali has been doing her work for 3 hours. And now, Rachna has been waiting for you since morning. And they have been playing since 2 o'clock. It has been raining since morning. These are some examples, and with the help of this example we will try to know about that. What is these? What are these? What is has, have, and then we are using here the fourth or the form of the verb is here, the since, for. What is that? Let's try to find out this first. Here is the formula for the formation of the sentence under this tense, right? The formula for the affirmative sentences are we have the 2 type of subject in which we follow the 2 type of helping verb. The see here in the first part is there we have a subject. There is I, we, you, they. Whenever we have a subject like I, we, you, they, noun plural, then we have have. Okay, have been का हम use करेंगे यहाँ पे, and then there will be the use of have, fourth form of the verb, that is first form of the verb along with the ing, and then there is a use of for and since, and then time. And the same way there is a the second formula for the different type of subject. These are like he, she, it, noun singular. Any naming word will follow the has been, and fourth form of the verb for or since, and then time. How to use this formula in the sentence, that I will let you know with the help of this format. See, with the help of this format, we will try to know that why and where we can use for. See, first of all, we will try to know about the use of for. Period of time. Whenever we have a for in any such sentence and a such statement, so we will use like that, period of time, समझ रहे हो? Okay, like 2 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours, like. And days, it says something about days, कि कितने दिन, right? 15 days, it mentions the days. For a long time, for a long period, for some time, right? For some time. And for number of years, like 2 years, 10 years, 20 years, like ऐसे कुछ बोलता है when we have to use the for in our sentence. And the month, number of month, number of days, number of week, and it can be used with the for, right? For how we will use, we will try to find out. And 1 hour, half hour, see half hour, even minute and second के साथ भी for का यूज होता है. Okay, for a decade, decades के साथ भी decade जो होता है एक दशक होता है. For a half a century, and for a time, कुछ time के लिए, and the whole day, for the whole day. Right, that was the format here to understanding the use of for here, and now come at this side. So here, with the help of this format, we will try to know that how we can use things and with which we can. Okay, for a point of time. Point of time समझ रहे हो? What is the point of time? Point of time means exact. देखो यहाँ समझ आएगा भी. Since 2 o'clock, 2 बजे बोल रहा है पूरा exactly, right? Point of time, like since morning, सुबह से, Monday से, since Monday, since January. Why? Because it says Monday. डे का नाम बताता है, राइट? आगे बता दूंगा. ओके, महीने का नाम बताता है. सिंस 1990 पर्टिकुलर एक महीने का नाम बताता है. इट डजंट से लाइक दैट फॉर जैसे बोलता है कि इतने सालों से, 20 साल से, 15 साल से, लाइक दैट, बट इट विल टेल यू द टाइम. ओके, सिंस लास्ट नाइट with the name of the years के नाम के साथ. Yes, just 1947, 45, 1975, etc. Name of the month बताता है. ये name days का नाम बताता है, like Sunday, Monday, and it tell us about the time, जो exact time होता है 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, etc. Use of the since with the childhood अगर बोलना है तो since childhood बोलते हैं हम, since morning बोलते हैं, since evening बोलते हैं, since afternoon बोलते हैं, and since today and yesterday as well we use with the since. Now we will try to know about with which we use has and have, then we will move forward, right? Now you can see here the use of has and have, that how we can use, right? Have can be used with first person pronoun, right? And with वो कौन से है? I है, we है, and then the second person is also there, okay, you, and third person's pronoun like they. And then there is a use of plural noun. जहां कहीं भी plural noun है, या फिर I है, we है, they है, you है, and along with that the use of any plural noun. जहां कहीं भी वहां पे have का use होता है. And as far as concerned about the has can be used with third person pronoun he, she, it, and singular noun. Okay, so we will move forward with the help of example now with affirmative sentences. If your subject is I, we, you, they, noun plural, so you will use have been plus fourth form of the verb, then for and since plus time. Okay, you will use your for and since according to the time. And if your subject is he, she, it, noun singular, you will use has been fourth form of the verb, for and since, right? That is according to the time. Yes, now here's some example. I have been swimming since morning. I have been, मैं I के साथ हमेशा we लगता है. Have been swimming since morning. This is our time because it indicates the point of time. सुबह से, right? He has been doing his homework for 2 hours. Period of time, not exact time, period of time. And she has been cooking food for her family for a long time. काफी समय से. Okay, the match has been going on for an hour. आपको बताया था that I have already given you the format. Okay, मैं एक format दिया है आपको जिसमें for और since का use कहाँ पर और किस तरह से किया जाता है. That it really works. ये बहुत काम आता है. So you should learn that table and that format. Okay, the match has been going on for an hour. घंटे से. Okay, Adya has been watching TV since morning. Adya is watching TV here. Adya सुबह से देख रही है. So she has been. Adya has been watching TV since morning. So हिंदी में कहते हैं, मैं बोलना भूल जाता हूँ कभी-कभी. जैसे हिंदी के जिस वाक्यों के अंत में से रहा है, से रही है, इस तरह से जब हमारी वर्डिंग रहती है सेंटेंस के एंड में, से रहा है, रहे है और रहा है जो, तो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस क्या होते हैं? इट शोज दैट द थिंग हैज स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट, एक्शन हैज स्टार्टेड, वो स्टार्ट हो चुका है बट इट स्टिल इन प्रोग्रेस. Okay, let's see negative sentence how we can make, and the side by side I will give some more example of the interrogative and interrogative negative as well, right? Let's see. See here, what is the formula for negative sentences? If your subject is I, we, they, you, noun plural, right? Noun plural है, ये तो वैसे ही हमारे पास फर्स्ट सेकंड और थर्ड वाले जो प्लूरल यहाँ पे सॉरी नाउन पड़े हुए हैं, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट देयर इज द यूज ऑफ नाउन जो प्लूरल होते हैं, देयर वी विल यूज हैव, नॉट, वीन, and fourth form of the verb along with the for since that will be used according to the time. And if your subject is he, she, it and noun singular, so you will use has, not, been, and the fourth form of the verb for and since according to the time, right? And now you will see the next formula for interrogative sentences here. Interrogative sentences are those sentences in which we ask the questions like हमारा जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब था देखिए बाहर आ जाता है, फर्स्ट पे आ जाता है लाइक हैव, यू सी subject I, we, they, you, noun plural plus been, fourth form of the verb for since and time, right? And next one is has, subject, like he, she, it, noun singular, and then again you will use the been after your subject, and then there will be the use of first form of the verb along with the ing for since. According to that you will use that. ओके कि आपका टाइम क्या है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप आगे वाली चीज़ों को स्टडी करेंगे और देखेंगे. इंटेरोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस हियर, its formula is just in front of you on the screen, so you can take the screenshot of this formula as well to get better understanding of this tense, right? Subject, the first of all you will write your helping verb, that is the have, then you will write your subject I, we, you, they, and noun plural, then not, then been, for then fourth form of the verb for and since, and then time. The same way you will use your has, subject, not, been, fourth form of the verb for since and time, right? According to that. So आपका सब्जेक्ट क्या है, उस सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ही आप आगे वाली जितने भी जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है उसका यूज़ रहता है. एंड एज फार एज कंसर्न अबाउट द टाइम, you will use your time whenever and what type is there, so that way you will use the for and since. Now we will try to know with the help of example. Yes, see here we have example from the negative one, and we have example from interrogative and interrogative negative as well, right? She has not been watering her garden since morning, right? She has, that's why has here. Srishti has, right? Third person singular, naming word, has not been studying for 3 hours. 3 घंटे से नहीं पढ़ रही है. Next, they have not been crying since 10 o'clock. Has she been sleeping in the night for 10 hours? 10 घंटे के लिए सोती है या 10 घंटे से सो रही है, क्या वो सोती है? Have you been playing chess since morning? क्या आप सुबह से चेस खेल रहे हो, right? Has Malvi not been driving her? Not, Malvi singular, right? Has Malvi not been driving her car since 2019? And then have we not been creating nuisance in the class for 30 minutes? पिछले कितने 30 minutes से. And has it not been raining since morning? Right, these are some examples from the different format, like from the negative and from the interrogative and interrogative negative as well. And I have given you already the format that with the help of that format and that table you can get better understanding of using these words and how we can use since and how we can use for here with the singular and plural. If your subject is singular, so you will use has, and if your subject is थर्ड पर्सन में रहता है तो वो आप यहाँ पे हैज का यूज करोगे, राइट? देयर इज समथिंग मोर अबाउट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. लेट्स सी इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, राइट? Now expressing action started from since and for. These are very special sentences that we make, जो हम बनाते हैं with the help of since and for, and these are the sentences with which we start our sentence from the since and for, right? So the for how long have you been waiting for the bus? कितने समयों से बस का इंतजार कर रहे हो, right? For how many days have they been wasting their time? कितने दिनों से टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो? And for how long has she been waiting, sitting, sleeping, singing, eating, learning, etc. There are the multiple sentences that we can now make here with the help of for here. And now since when has she been living here in this house? Since when, कब से, has she been, वह कब से रह रही है, living here in this house. And since when have they been working in this office? And next one is the since which month have you been staying in this guest house? And the last one is here, since which years have you been taking classes from this school? कितने सालों से, since which years, कौन से साल से you have been taking classes from this school, right? And these are something unique in present perfect continuous tense. So dear student, that was something about present perfect continuous tense, that in which we study and in which we knew, and that how time is here in this tense. See, this is the action, right? This is the action we have started in the past, and it's that is the time you can feel now. अभी भी इसको feel कर सकते हैं. This is what the progress is on. कि अभी भी वो progress चल रही है. आपने जो काम शुरू किया था, still it is in progress. And in the same way you have observed in the previous one that वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं उसको कि जिस वाक्यों के अंत में दिया है, लिया है, किया है, या चुका है, चुके हैं वगैरह आता हुआ. And before this there was the present continuous tense in which we usually used to know about that कर रहा है, हो रहा है, रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. But here in this tense, से रहा है, right? So I think it's enough now. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So stay blessed. Thank you.